The Mumbai police busted a high-profile rave party last night at the Oakwood Hotel in Juhu. Over 100 people were detained by the police from the party and taken for a medical checkup immediately. Meanwhile, high-value drugs were also recovered from the venue. Police reports confirm as much as 110 grams of cocaine and other drugs were seized.
इसमें कौन पेडलर थे, किसने पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की, ये पूरा प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने के बाद आपको डिटेल दिए जाएंगे.
More than 100 people detained, many of them foreigners.
At Mumbai's Oakwood Premier Hotel, a high-profile hotel in the suburb of Juhu, where at around 8:30 p.m. this evening, the Mumbai police raided a rave party. Now, what the Mumbai police has told us is that they recovered a huge amount of drugs from this party. The drugs are likes of huge amounts of cocaine, MDMA, ecstasy and marijuana.
With the police having got hold of drugs at the rave party, all those present were put into a police van and taken to hospital for medical tests.
58 people from the party were brought here at the Cooper Hospital. The police conducting medical examinations, including blood tests of all the 58 people. We have told that all 58 people are men, in fact, over at this hospital, and the rest 38 people, all women, have been taken to the Baba Hospital for medical examinations.
But some, like this man detained from the rave party, denied any wrongdoing.
The cops are doing their job. They raided. They're doing their job, and that's what happened. A friend of mine was there, so I just went there.
कौन था आनंद पार्टी में कौन
ऐसा कोई नहीं था.
Yet the true picture will emerge once the medical reports come out.
जिनके ब्लड और यूरिन सैंपल्स पॉजिटिव आएंगे, उनके खिलाफ कंजम्पशन की कार्रवाई होगी.
Mumbai police sources have informed us that their line of investigation will be focused on two aspects. One, who was the organizer of this party, and second, the foreign nationals and celebrities that have been detained from this party. Were they aware about the fact that it's a rave party and drugs will be served in this party?
Mumbai police say they picked up over 100 grams of drugs like cocaine from the rave party, but are not revealing who they have detained.
What eyewitnesses and sources from the party telling us is that quite a few high-profile celebrities have attended this party, the likes of IPL players, designers, celebrities, models. But until the blood and urine test reports really come out, we cannot confirm the identities.
It will take a week before their medical tests reveal whether or not they'd crossed the line at a rave party they may want to forget. Bureau Report, Times Now.